So welcome guys. So in today's video I'm going to be explaining to you basically the CEX.io airdrop eligibility criteria for miners. If you are seeing this video as a short, please just make sure you subscribe, you like and you comment, because I will not be able to explain all this in the 60 seconds that you are seeing it as a short. So just quickly tap down the related video or just come to my video homepage so that you can watch the full video. And if you are seeing this on my main video log, please make sure you subscribe, you like and ask whatsoever question you have. So CEX.io airdrop listing is around the corner, which is around the Q4 of 2024, and we're actually at the Q4 as at when I'm making this video is in the month of October. So in the next 2 months, within November and December, it should be listing. So here are the eligibility criteria that you must ensure that you have on the CEX.io airdrop to ensure that you actually qualify for the airdrop and not miss out. So first of all, we're at the home page of the CEX.io. If you are not mining CEX.io, make sure you check my description box so that you'll be mining CEX.io. CEX.io is the native token for the CEX.io exchange app. So we're mining the CEX token. So quickly, let's head straight into it. First of all, you must be active and be mining. Number two, if you want to, you must ensure that you always tap these bots. Time in, time out. You must ensure that you are tapping, not that you do it frequently. So this tapping, number one, is part of it, which you might not do for that long, but once in a while ensure you tap it. Then you come to this your mine. If you come to this your mine, you will see that there are different cards for you to unlock. Now this card that you unlock with your coin deposit that you have, it increase your mining per hour, and that your mining per hour in turn will increase your crypto balance. So as you can see my own phone screen now, you can see I am mining my crypto balance is mining at 1 crypto balance per hour, and that 1 crypto balance is equivalent to the current price rate of Bitcoin. So that's how the CEX.io team are doing it. So if you come to this your card, ensure that you upgrade your cards and you unlock your cards. Now as you do this, all these activities are part of your eligibility criteria for the CEX.io airdrop, especially for those that are mining. So ensure that you come upgrade card. As you upgrade all this card and you unlock them, it will increase your mining per hour. As you can see currently, this is my CEX balance. If I go and check my CEX.io exchange, because this thing is reflecting on the CEX.io exchange, you understand? So if you come here, unlock cards. Number two, if you come here, engage in all these stacks. Some people are just seeing these stacks and are ignoring it. Engage in all these stacks. All these activities are part of things that they will checkmate for you to ensure that you qualify for the airdrop and know how much of the token they are going to allocate to you. So if you just tap on these stacks, you can see you just have a timer. You just go and watch the video on YouTube, then you come back after 3 minutes and what you claim the CEX token. You understand? So ensure you do the task. Then the next thing is what your squad just simply means you should invite friends to the CEX.io app. So just try as much as possible, either 1 to 2 of your friends, invite them. The simple way to invite them, if they are in doubt, is just to let them know that CEX.io is a trading exchange. It's one of the top 100 trading exchange. They can search it out on CoinMarketCap, and CEX.io wants to list their own token. So just tell them that mining CEX.io is the same thing as mining BNB. So you see, that information alone will encourage them to come and mine, and you have your squad enrolled here because you're actually telling them the truth. Then the next thing is to always make sure you come at your convert. Number one, again, I said you mine, unlock cards, do tags, invite friends, then you come to convert. For example, now let's say now Bitcoin. Now you see I told you that this crypto balance is equivalent to 1 Bitcoin. As at when I'm making this video, Bitcoin is currently $68,000. So if I tap on it, 1 of it equal to this, the current rate of Bitcoin. So now if I say I want to convert 5 of this my crypto balance, so if I tap it, if I tap on convert like this, is going to convert. So make sure time to time you come to convert, and as you convert, you observe that your level will increase. So now let me just quickly go here. Now I'm currently at level 6. I'm working towards entering the last level actually. So if you see what I need to enter level 7, I just need 10 million worth of the CEX token. So I'll just continue mining and mining and mining till I reach all levels, because that's actually my own goal, to reach all level actually. So if you come here, you just see the airdrop. So if you tap here, you are going to see what the roadmap. So the roadmap for CEX.io is in full detail. We have the Q2, we have the Q3, and we also have the Q4. Currently we are at what, the Q4. I just tapped on the roadmap, that airdrop section. So if you see it, you see they have already done the Q2 building community, they have done Q3, they have done so currently we are at the Q4, where they will be calculating. Tap on this plus icon, they'll be calculating the airdrop and what's preparing for listing. See it, they will publish white paper and calculate airdrop, and they will now list it on the CEX.io exchange for you to be able to swap to USDT or do whatever trading you have to do with it to make profit. And number two, again, the last one, basically you have to go and download the CEX.io exchange app itself. So when you download the CEX.io exchange app itself, you are now going to connect it to this CEX.io mining tap bot on Telegram. So when you connect it, and after you connect it, ensure you go to that CEX.io app and what you verify. You understand? If you are not clear in anything I've said here, again, make sure you ask your question in the comment section. I'll be there to guide you and directly. Please make sure you like, you comment, and you subscribe. Lastly, again, let me just explain. I say you'll be unlocking cards, doing tags, invite friends, doing the conversion. That will also help you what to increase what your level on the CEX.io. So that's just basically. So please make sure what you like, you comment, subscribe, ask whatever question you have in the comment section, and make sure you click the link in the description box so you can start mining CEX.io if you are not yet mining. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe.